At a joint summit in late May in Ankara, the defense ministers of Poland and Turkey signed a $270 million €235 million deal that would see Warsaw buy Turkish-made unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV, both for reconnaissance and attack purposes. Polish President Andrzej Duda stressed his government wants to improve trade relations with Turkey, adding that he expects bilateral trade to reach $10 billion, up from today's $6.5 billion. This move is likely to stab Moscow, as both NATO members are well aware of. For Poland, the pivot to Ankara is also an insult to the Biden administration after what was seen in Warsaw as Washington's new adjustment to Berlin via the Nord Stream 2 gas pipeline. Karol Wasilewski, a Turkey analyst at the Polish Institute of International Affairs, PISM, found the political aspect of the drone deal interesting. It seems that with this transaction Poland is trying not only to strengthen its relationship with Turkey, but also to make it more tied to the security of the eastern wing of NATO, as well as to push the wedge between Turkey and Russia, at a time when relations are very complicated.